Most people don't think about their dryer vent until their dryer stops working or starts to have a burning smell. In this video, I'm going to share with you what happens if you never clean your dryer vent from 1 month all the way up to 10 plus years. At 1 month, you probably won't notice anything immediately, but if you do take a flashlight and shine it into where your lint screen is, even if you clean that screen every time, there's still going to be a lot of lint buildup inside of there. Now, that's not going to cause a problem yet. If you leave it for years and years, it could clog up the machine, but it is something that you might want to clean. They make a lot of attachments that you could attach to your vacuum. I'll leave a link down below, and you could easily just brush it and vacuum it. It takes a couple of minutes, or you could wait till when you're cleaning the vent and the whole dryer. You'll also start to see a little bit of lint towards on the exit vent, and now it's not going to affect the drying at all, but on the outside of the house, it's going to start to build up. And if you let that build up, it'll be like a magnet for more lint. At around a year, you'll start to see, like I call it, a mustache around the exit vent outside, which again isn't going to cause any problems, but it's a good idea to clean it at about 1 to 2 years because it's like a magnet and then more lint will stick to it and eventually it'll clog your dryer and it will harm the performance. Also, this is where the inside of the dryer could start to accumulate some dangerous lint depending on how much laundry you do. It's a good idea to take your dryer apart and clean it or hire someone to do it at least every year or two. So there'll be a light bit of dust at the bottom of the dryer, all the dust will come down. And then some dryer vents will start to actually clog. It starts from the outside and then more sticks to it. And then eventually it gets so full that you can't use your dryer. Around 7 years now we're going to see a lot of issues. The number one thing that I would expect is for the outside vent to almost be completely blocked. If it hasn't been touched for 5, 7 years, the lint is going to keep building up and it's probably going to be at least like 70 to 80% clogged, or the whole thing will be clogged. And the only way to get that is to actually go outside, or if it's on your roof, to safely go on your roof and pull it down. And if you had a screen or a pest control device, that makes it even more likely that it will be clogged. So it's a really good idea to take those off and clean them, and even try to get a different one that might work a little bit better without getting clogged. At this amount of time, you'll start to notice the dryer taking significantly longer, like 1.5 to 2 cycles to dry the clothes. And now, as the years go by, you don't notice it that much. That's why it kind of creeps up, because it'll take 5 minutes longer, 10 minutes longer, and then eventually you look back and you're doing 2 or 3 cycles. You'll notice that your electric bills are higher. I have a lot of customers that never clean their dryer vent for like 5, 10 years, and then they have us come every year and they're like, oh, our electric bill is so much better. Well, yeah, because your dryer is running shorter and more efficient, it's not going to use as much electricity. And you could also start to see inside the dryer will be horrifying. There will be a big carpet of lint at the bottom of the dryer. That's why it's so important to clean the inside of the dryer. And now it might be starting to pile on top of the wires and right by the heating element. And that's an extremely bad fire hazard. Also, your dryer vent could just be completely stuffed. I've seen it happen in 3, 5 years, but 7 years would definitely be pretty clogged. And this is a definite sign to get your dryer vent clean if it's been more than 5 years, or you just don't remember. And then now 10 years plus, if you've never cleaned your dryer vent, what I would expect to see is, I would honestly be surprised if it's still working, because I would think it would be clogged up. But that vent on the outside is going to be completely filled with lint. The whole dryer vent, it may take even more than a couple of times to brush the vent to get all of the stuff out. But every time you use your dryer, pieces of clothes, pet hair, and lint will start to accumulate no matter what you do. So it's really important to clean your dryer vent. If you want to know how to clean the inside of your dryer and your dryer vent professionally, check out this video where I show you everything you need to do to save money from hiring someone else.